Good evening. Thank you for coming. I'm Pantelakos, and I serve on the Criminal Justice Committee, or as I'm newly naming it, the Gun Committee. That's all we have. Come July 1st, if the governor does not veto it, you will no longer need a gun permit in order to carry a gun. And when I say carry one, I mean concealed weapons. They really don't have an age limit on that. They were questioning whether they should put in 16 or 18 or maybe just not put anything at all, give it to someone just out of school, whatever. It's been a very trying year, and not that I don't believe in the Second Amendment. I do. The right to bear arms, you have that right, but I think there's a time and a place for it. We are still fighting over House Bill 500. If you remember it last year, was a bill that would let any prisoner that was going to get out, say in October, they would come out for 9 months under heavy supervision to get them on the right track for what they were doing. We are having a lot of problem with that bill. They're throwing monkey wrenches in it every way they can. But everybody has to know that those prisoners are going to max out. Whether we let them out in 9 months and take care of them, they're going to max out. No supervision, no nothing. But they don't seem to care about that. In the budget, they cut out the drug and alcohol funding. They're going to lay off 100 court employees. If anybody's had to go to court recently, they know that they have to find a day that the court's going to be open. And yet we are making laws every day to arrest them and throw them in prison. There's talk of closing the Berlin prison. I don't know where we would put them because they're maxed out now. They're supposed to have 500 there. They get 675. And Concord, they're supposed to have 975 people. They have 1,285. So we need to find ways to, the House Bill 500 was a way to bring them out with less costly. It was like $2,000 when it's $33,000 to keep an inmate in prison. And if they have a family, that goes up to $50,000, $55,000, $75,000. We had the cold case unit bill coming for us this year. We retained it. We have a cold case unit in place right now. It has solved 3 cases in less than 9 months, which I think is excellent. If even with someone that's murdered, people kind of think that they're gone along the wayside and let's not even think about it. But you have to think of those families, that their mothers, their fathers, brothers and sisters. It's always good to know who did it and what happened to them. The domestic violence is going to take a hit, and that's going to be very hard on our police departments, because if they cannot have a safe place to take these women, what are they going to do with them? Just a lot going on up there, but it's just, we have a type of person in there that, on one hand, they don't believe in laws, but they sure bring in a lot of them for us to pass. And on the other hand, they really don't understand the way that things work. So hopefully we will get the governor to veto the gun permits, that they have to have the gun permits, because this is something that you need to know. Not everybody can go around flashing their guns, or banishing. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to say flashing. It's banishing your gun. Thank you.